when it seems like you have lost control, and you feel like you're alone. When you lost something worth fighting for, do you take it as a no? All I need is another chance to get back up and make amends. Gotta let me try. All I need is another chance. This time will be different. Gotta let me try. Leave the skyline heading back to old times. Like the pipe up to feel like I'm doing fine. Chase space with whatever I'm chasing. Anything to leave my head where the mistakes feel like a lesson, and my mind is clear of the mess I'm in. Chase space with whatever I'm chasing. Anything to leave my head. When you're falling back to ground again, how do you get up when your body's saying no? When you've broken all that you have left, how do you take back what you've lost? All I need is another chance to get back up and make amends, yeah. Gotta let me try. All I need is another chance. This time will be different. Gotta let me try. You got to let me try. Leave the skyline heading back to old times. Like the pipe up to feel like I'm doing fine. Chase space with whatever I'm chasing. Anything to leave my head where the mistakes feel like a lesson, and my mind is clear of the mess I'm in. Chase space with whatever I'm chasing. Anything to leave my head. It feels like I'm just running away.
To that shit weighing down my pockets. My main things to my main thing. She a blossom. When she eats the pain with the brain, she a doctor. She open up anything thicker than the plot gets. Swear that shit is awesome. Sight for the optics. Young nigga on top. Nike's all I'm rocking, so that all they see is checks from where the head to where the socks fit. No logo on the bifocal, flicking no roach tips. Won't even show my face until all the shows book. Need the cash in advance, leave them all so shook. I'm the guy they chosen. Rise up like the rose and put them on a poster. All the way up in the sky where the stars posted. Sip it on that rose, I put it down on coasters. Stack francs from the waves till I own the ocean. More praises for the sayings, let it all soak in. They like, hey, that shit is flame, bitch, I know I rode it. Going tight, dumb Dre when it 04 shit. Heavy off the 4 roses, that shit is poet. From the code to the globe, rap on the road shit. Till these niggas forfeit, double check the score and shit. High off with a dove, shed a tear off a dove from the plug in the mud, yeah, let's show a nigga love. I be in a rush, and she tryna fix a blush, knowing damn well a nigga never be up in the club. Ayy, it's that shit that they think they on, but not really on. Truth be told, I can't wait until all the ink is gone. They ain't really going, they just really born. Didn't mean to yawn, but all the weed is gone. I hope they got other business ventures they leaning on. I bag the blessing, I add the pressure, I might impress them. From way down for the crevice, the very essence of rap is running fast through my vessels. Know it's mine cause I said it, ayy. Keep it all the way trail. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid. If I'm anything, I'm real. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid, nigga, fuck the way you feel. Really gotta see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid, and it is what it is. Really gotta see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid. I wanted this as 18, plotting on my daydream. Toss me on the stage until money ain't a thing, but in a safer on its way, bitch. Been held down the pavement. I'm just trying to navigate the maze. Fuck the wage, rip the pages, spit the ages. Run with who I came with. Better nigga Nate switch. Speak up something flagrant. Right into my air slip. So then I got the reins grip. Shaking up the game every time I ink the page. Let the splish. It's a real nigga summons. Can't ever keep it 100. Know they ready to hunt us. Feed off the culture they funded. Don't know which way y'all be running, but still I'm standing for something. Motherfucker demons, they hunt us. They know they sound as like gin and juice hold the time. They can't really help but be honest. They either hate you or love you, but still they hooked on the phonics. But it's also ironic. They're still the culture, the kindest. Watered down over sonics. They say the power is knowledge. My energy, he the wildest. He turn up on you the loudest. They try to do me the ballast, but I'm still flexing the power. Young black nigga trapped, anything but aimless. Trying to cope, we blowing recreation, deeper than entertaining. Too trill, tell him hold the fake shit. Couldn't see us if you had the LASIK, just face it. They only view us as a danger, thinking they could cage us. No chains, cause I'm anxious, need liberation. Keep it all the way trail. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid. If I'm anything, I'm real. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid. Nigga, fuck the way you feel. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid. And it is what it is. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid.